up, everybody? Optic Hybrid, pick your team number 2. What's up, Penny and Penny? If there's only 8 packs. Easy. Alright, can we see a case hit finally? It's been so long since I've seen a nice case hit out of this. Everybody, subscribe to the channel. Everybody join Discord. Henny and Penny will drop the Discord in the links. You guys can take a look at my cooking. And what you guys can also take a look at is, watch this, wait for it. Shabam, ooh. Ooh, how did Hammer do that? Wait, let's try again. Snap. Hey, snap, there it is. There it was. And now if I scratch my eyebrow, look at that. Unreal. Who likes that? I have a new toy. I'm going to show it off every break. Watch this. Snap. There it was. Sick, right? Yeah, it's hands-free. Like, see him again. Watch this, watch this, watch this. If I dig my nose, watch this. Yeah, ooh. It's on, you know, it's called AI. Henry, I don't know if you know much about it. Hachoo! Look at that. See, look at that. It's called AI. But when I cough, nothing happens, see? Only when I sneeze, then something will happen. Alright, good luck, guys. I got new toys. It's kind of like you get a new Power Wheels when you're a kid and stuff. Good luck. DK on the best studies. Nice. There's your first Stroud. Nelson. Yannick is on the board. Toon rookie. Nolan Smith on the red. Mike Mayer, Jaden Carter, and Van Ness for Green Bay. To 35, it is not a rookie. It's the former Steeler, Chase Claypool. Number to 35 for the Finns. 10 to 35. Fihoko. Mayer on the hollow. Cam Smith on the red. That was actually a better card back in the day. Ogden and Brandon Aubrey on the red. Oh. Cedric Tillman. Almost missed Cedric. Yes, join our Discord, guys. Come on, how about a case hit? Josh Downs. Jefferson, chain reactions. Battles. Bijan for the Falcons. Spicy. Odell. Banks. Blackman on the red. Parsons on the My House hollow. We got an auto. It's a hash mark auto of Ronnie Brown again for the Finns. Steve B. It's the Ronnie Brown hash marks. First auto I've seen in this in a while. Richardson base. All right, the 35 is a rookie. It's not a bad one. It's Kendre. That was on a kill. Rick the Ripper to 35 on a Kendre Miller. 19 to 35. Blackman on the hollow. Forbes on the red. Godwin, nice. Lamborghini Rice on the red. And Jonathan Mingo. They didn't say Mandingo, you nasty heads out there. That was the break, guys. Recap coming. Can I squeeze this in here? Maybe I can. I can squeeze it there, maybe. We'll see. teaser. All right. Recap. That was a decent one. Much better. A little cheapy for the price. Kendra to 35. Claypool. Got an auto there of Ronnie Brown for the fish. And that was the break, guys. Thank you, everybody. Oh yeah, I'll fit that bad boy.